Hello viewers, welcome to the Adobe Illustrator world. Today I am going to show you a logo designing. Now I am using Adobe Illustrator CC 2015. Okay, let's start. First, I am going to the toolbar in the rectangle tool and I am selecting from here ellipse tool. Now I am clicking on Artboard and then a dialog box. Here is a pixel. I am taking 300 pixel and then also 300 pixel and clicking OK. After that I have found a circle and I need to fill it. I am filling it with the color and there is no line color. We need only the fill color. Now I am going to the gradient, then selecting the gradient color. So click on it and select the gradient color. And after that I have to also select the ellipse tool again and now clicking on the artboard. Now I am selecting 150 pixel by 150 pixel and then clicking OK, and then I have found another circle. After doing this, we have to remember that the smallest circle will be the half of bigger one. Now I am selecting both of these circles and going to the panel bar, and here is a align tool. I have to align it horizontal align center by clicking this, and then I have to align it vertical align bottom. Select and click it, and then I have to go to the toolbar again and I am selecting a line. Select this line and draw a line before the circle of bigger one and outer the circle of bigger one, and it will be in the middle of bigger one. Now I am drawing this. This is the middle point of bigger one. Now I am drawing this line and drop it now. Need to give a line color of it. Now I am giving a line color of it and then select the selection key, and again you have to go to the line and select this and draw another line, but it will be horizontal. Now draw it by this way and drop it now. Select the selection key again. Now we have to select this and this one, but before selecting this I have to copy smaller one. It's because I need it after doing some work, so I am going to copy this smaller one. Select this and copy by pressing Ctrl and C. Now select small one and bigger one, then go to the Pathfinder. Here is the Pathfinder tool and select this and click on it, and now I am selecting this line and going to the menu bar. Here is object, click on it and then select the path, and now select the divide objects below and click on it. It's already divided vertically, and now select the another line which is horizontal. Click on it and then go to the object menu again and select path and then select divide objects below, and now circle is individual in 4 parts. Now I am deleting one after another. Now delete this one and then delete this one also, and finally delete this, and now you have to paste the circle which was copied before doing this work. I have to press the Ctrl and then just click on F. After that you have to select this one, and then go to the toolbar again and select pen tool, and here you have to select delete anchor point tool. Now I am selecting this one and come to the anchor point of it and just click on it, and then go to the toolbar and select the selection key. After that you have to select the direct selection key. Now I am selecting this one and going to the anchor point again and just drag it and go to the up of this shape and now drop it, and again go to the selection tool. After that you have to select the rotate tool. I am selecting this rotate tool. It is because by selecting this rotate tool I have to move the rotation point of this shape. I mean this shape. Where is the rotation point? I am showing you. This is, and now I am selecting rotate tool and see, this is the rotation point of this shape. Now I have to replace it in another point where it will be in the middle of this circle. This is the center. This is the center of this circle. Now just click on it and it has been replaced. Now I'm going to zoom in it. It's because you can see it properly, and then just copy it by pressing Alt and then click the mouse and drag and drop it as you like. After that you just have to press Ctrl and then press D only 2 times. Now it's ready. Okay, and go to the selection tool and then select this circle and just delete it by pressing the delete of your keyboard. Now the logo is ready. You have to change the color of it. Go to the gradient and here is the gradient color. Now I am changing it in another color, swatch, and I am changing it red. Drop it here now, and then I am dropping it yellow. You can also change it individually. How? Just click on it and then go to the Pathfinder. Go to the Pathfinder and divide it. I am dividing it. By clicking this, I am dividing it. Then select this and ungroup it. After that, you have to select some extra shape which should be deleted, like this one. I am deleting this one, and then I am deleting this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one, this one. No, undo. This one, no, and maybe it's okay. You can individually change it now, like select this, go to the gradient and change it. I am changing it in green. Okay, now select this and select this point and select here the green deeper one, and then select this and select here lighter one. After that, selecting this, just click on it and drop it here. Like this way you can change the color of it as you like. Today it's alright. See you next. Bye bye.